Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field within computer science striving to create intelligent machines capable of tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Here are some key insights. AI excels in problem solving, analyzing massive amounts of data to identify patterns, making predictions, and solving complex problems across various fields. It's a whiz at predicting disease outbreaks, optimizing logistics, or analyzing financial markets. AI can also learn, improving over time. This machine learning allows them to adapt to new situations and data, continually refining their abilities. AI can even make decisions based on specific criteria, often using complex algorithms to weigh factors and choose the optimal course of action. Some AI systems can interact with humans in natural ways, understanding and responding to language, gestures, or other forms of communication. But remember, AI systems are not sentient beings. They lack emotions, feelings, or subjective experiences. They excel at specific tasks but lack the general intelligence humans possess. They can't adapt to entirely new situations or reason as broadly as we do. That's AI for you. Fascinating, isn't it?